Ever wondered how to manage user roles in Engonus ERP? Well, it's all about role permissions, nestled right in the settings. It's a key player when it comes to user hierarchy, giving you the power to grant access to certain areas of the system while restricting others. Before you dive into the nitty-gritty of configuring this area, it's crucial to have a game plan for your users' access and roles. Now, let's dive into the process of managing user roles. To start with, you need to access the role permissions. Let's do this together. Navigate to the left side menu and find Settings. Within Settings, you'll find Role Permissions. Click on it. What you see now is the main view, displaying a list of users along with their roles. Now look to the right side. There's where you can edit and change roles for each user. After understanding the main view, it's time to delve deeper into editing the roles. Editing roles and permissions is quite straightforward in Engonus ERP. When you're ready to edit, simply hover over the user on the right side of your screen and click to change their role. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to enter the details. Now let's dive a little deeper into the panel. This is where you'll find all the possible permissions you can grant to the group you're editing. From here, you can make multiple combinations for each group profile. It's essential to set the permissions that best suit the group of users you want to include in that group. Are you wondering what permissions you can grant? Well, each function of the system can be granted permissions to delete, edit, view, and add. It's all in your hands. With the right permissions set, you're one step closer to having a well-organized ERP system. Let's now discuss how to manage permissions of all the functions of the ERP. You have the option to manage permissions for each function individually, or do it all at once with the upper checkbox labeled Admin Group Permission. This feature allows for a versatile user hierarchy within the system. Furthermore, if you're dealing with a large amount of data, there's the possibility to export these lists in CSV or other formats. This can be a significant time saver, especially when managing multiple user roles. Now, when creating or editing a group of roles, we recommend creating detailed descriptions. These can be invaluable for other users navigating the system. For instance, you might create a group for the accounting department, detailing the specific permissions this group has within the ERP. Once everything is set, just hit Submit, and everything will be set so that the roles apply to each user. Engonus ERP makes managing user roles and permissions simple and efficient.